Hi, what's up everyone? Today I have a cube competition. The competition is going to be at UCLA. I'm going to be doing 3x3 and 4x4. Luckily they put all the events I don't do, like Megamix and Square 1 in the morning, so I can get there a little bit later. It's currently 9 o'clock. It's around a 1 hour drive. I need to get there at 11. So let's just jump right into it. Luckily on the competitor list, I don't see easy cubing, so I think it's going to be a good day. So we made it to the competition. Took so long to get here. So 4x4 starting soon. I'm like group 4, so I'll be doing that soon. Maybe go like sub 50. Oh no, I'll just go for that.
Encoded, oh my god, it's cubing encoded. It's the content comp.
Oh, I did a few 4x4 solves. Now it's time for 4x4, so yeah, let's just do that. That was actually like a pretty good solve. I was pretty happy with that. The last algorithm though, the thing about the Gantt okay, I need to go. Okay, just saying. Vlog. I like forgot how to compete. Okay, like I forgot everything. Oh well, that was pretty bad. Hopefully that's like my worst solve, and I could like not do as. Hey, look, it's Nathan. Alright, so 4x4 was alright. I think next is 3x3 OH, so then I have a while to wait because I'm not doing 3x3 OH because screw OH. So yeah, now I just wait until 3x3. I think I just got a 7x7 PV. 753. 7.
It takes me that long to solve one side.
This guy just came in showed me this. Okay, so instead of using the Gantt X, I'm going to be using the Skyline version 2. And this is a really good cube. I'll probably make like a full review of it later because I just really like this cube a lot. Gantt X is going to bag. That was actually pretty good. Okay, so I didn't record the last solve accidentally. I don't know, just it wasn't recording. But it's nothing special. It was like a 13. But I'm pretty sure I'll make second round, so I'll have another chance to hopefully get a better single because I just went like a bunch of 10s and a 9. It'd be nice if I could get an 8. Let's go! We're judging.
Andrew to the left side. Thank you.
Alright, looks like round 2 starting.
average.
So the second round was like the same as the first round. It was just like a bunch of 10s and then like 13. I don't think I'm gonna make finals because it's only top 8, and like for the last round top 8 was a 10.2 and I got like a 10.5, 10.6, so yeah, let's just hope. So I was 5th, they added a couple more people, I'm now 7th. Yep, I'm now 9th place, and there's still more people to add, so I didn't make final. I think that's where I'm gonna end the vlog, and yeah, see you guys in the next one.